Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Keefe's Kitchen. It's evening, all right? It's like about 9-ish, and I'm hungry. I want something, but about this time of night, I generally don't want something healthy, so I'm not gonna make something healthy. We're making a sandwich, but not just any sandwich. This sandwich has a storied history, one that I don't know very much of, because I found it on the internet. It's called the Elvis. Yeah. It's a sourdough bread sandwich with peanut butter, crunchy peanut butter, banana, and bacon. Sounds weird, right? Well, it gets weirder because then you take that sandwich and you fry it in the bacon grease that you fried the bacon in. Well, I guess the grease from frying the bacon. You know what I'm trying to say. It's not healthy. It's late at night. It's named after the king. You know what? Let's do it.
So to begin making our Elvis sandwich, grab a cold pan and we're going to add in some bacon. Now I added in about, like 7 slices. Honestly, I should have just added the whole pound of bacon because it needed it. Alright, anyway, turn the pan on medium low and let's fry this bacon up. Now while the bacon is frying, we're going to assemble the bread, peanut butter, banana portions. So here I have some supermarket sourdough. Ain't nothing wrong with it. If you've got homemade, that's cool too. But grab 2 slices of sourdough bread, and we're going to add some peanut butter. Now this is natural peanut butter, the separating oil from peanut butter kind. That's why I'm giving it a little stir. To be honest, it probably would not have been this sort of healthy peanut butter, but here we are. Add a nice layer to both sides of the bread, or both pieces of bread, I should say. And it doesn't have to be crunchy, but I prefer crunchy peanut butter. Anyway, so add a nice layer to both pieces of bread, and this will ensure that everything stays attached. Now I have a single banana, and I'm going to cut the banana into little rounds and put the rounds on one slice of my peanut buttered bread. Now, this one happened to work out with exactly one, but fit as much as you can. Now by this point, our bacon should be about done. I've given it a little turn and it is fried up to my liking. Take it out, let it drain on some paper towels, and we're going to remove some of the bacon grease, but not all, from this pan. I removed some of it and saved it to the side, and we're going to leave about 4 tablespoons of bacon grease in the pan because we're going to fry our sandwich in that. So turn the heat back to about medium, and we're going to add our bacon right on top of the bananas, and add as much as you can. Don't be afraid to really pack the bacon in there. Again, at this point, when I realized I could get the sandwich together pretty easily and not have a bunch of bacon falling out, I realized I didn't have enough bacon. So that's okay. Next time. Really press it down to get everything nice and stuck in the peanut butter. And we're going to place this in the pan and fry it up over medium heat for about 3 minutes per side, or until it gets nice and brown to your liking. Now be careful with this because you can go too far and burn it, and that would be really sad. Okay, so when it's time to flip with confidence. All right, don't hesitate, otherwise it'll fall apart. Flip it over, and as you can see, that's an awesome color. If I got that on a grilled cheese, I would be happy. All right, so anyway, we're gonna fry this up for, again, about 3 minutes per side, and once that's done, pull it off the heat, and your Elvis is finished. Look at that beautiful sandwich. Beautiful color, bacon and banana. Looks awesome. Now, I would definitely recommend letting this sandwich sit for about 2 to 3 minutes before eating it, because molten peanut butter is one of the worst things. You ever bitten into a Hot Pocket and burned your mouth? It's like that, but worse, okay? So let it cool, and then enjoy your Elvis sandwich.
All right, my friends, a mere 20-ish minutes later, and here we are, the Elvis. Now, this sandwich is looking unique. Nice and crispy on both sides. Everything is holding together surprisingly well. I legitimately have no idea what to expect from this, so let's just give it a taste. The Elvis. So right off the bat, this thing is delicious. Elvis knew what he was talking about. It's sweet, it's crunchy, it's savory, it's salty, it's bacony. It's got everything you'd want in a sandwich, except for one thing, which is more bacon. And that's what I think that I would change for the next time I make this. if I survive eating one whole, Elvis sandwich. Because there's a lot of calories. I didn't do the math. It's probably over 100, I would imagine. Yeah, this is awesome. Way better than it has any right to be. But you kind of expected it, didn't you? Right? It's bacon, it's bananas and peanut butter, it's fried. The banana is really nice and sweet, and it holds the whole thing together. It really does. I wish I had more bacon, but I can't complain. This is a fantastic sandwich. I recommend, next time you've got a case of the Midnight Munchies, make an Elvis. That's been Keefe's Kitchen. I'll see you guys next week. Hopefully with a slightly healthier episode. All right, guys. Peace.